Mema Obibia Akwaba about juicy news, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm a day Bremo. And now McBrown on also reacted to and somewhere coso and to quite coso between Kevin Taylor and Yaa Brefo, Yedinina Bremo. So the Kevin Taylor or day education on my end and now Yaa Brefo FI social media. What say wouldn't for social media or channel for so war social media. Yedinina Bremo. Now, Mensah say, so when you subscribe to the channel now, Mensah say, oh, best subscribe. Oh, click the subscribe button. Now, what belly notification. Oh, yeah, video will be uploaded. Also, what's a beacon. I feel we are now like video. Oh, my thumbs up. Now, if you share, my offer for so in be actually. I feel young call and similar. A year and to quite coso between a Kevin Taylor and Yaa Brefo Nana McBrown on also reacted or the Simbi to their own Instagram page man for a cahu and self-degree. Now answer na yebeko something. Him say Nana Yaa Brefo Kevin Taylor and Simbi or Kafano and the hour chese Kevin Taylor chese Nana McBrown or will be this one unique I want to know baby could be a dom edinichi. And no, say Nana Yaa Brefo any bibisa, no Nana Yaa Brefo de on so babunti, ebe to be money, Kevin Taylor, na Kevin Taylor so saba ebe reply no. Now I share the reaction na Nana McBrown beto abunti, share story beto ga, share story no. And no and wo screen so no or say McBrown react after being dragged into Nana Yaa Brefo and Kevin Taylor's feud. I just say reacted a bright penny bar Kevin Taylor Tokwa Ecoso ne Nana Yaa Brefo. Now Yankee kind look at Craven share their aircore. Or say Nana McBrown has reacted to being at the center of Kevin Taylor and Nana Yaa Brefo's fight. Although she is yet to comment on the matter, she has reacted in such a manner that has compelled netizens to perceive that she sides with Kevin Taylor. Now, story nature say, Unya Mabonte and Bekasa idea, Nemo reacting ma Ada Subia me say a year Kevin Taylor somebody but two piano. The knee edge and answer on also for a year Sansa. I say Nana McBrown screen recorded Kevin Taylor's comments and shared them on her Instagram stories. Nature say or record a year Kevin Taylor and some more kind and what do to Instagram stories. Hope also say, in spite of the fact that Nana McBrown has unresolved feud with Nana Yaa Brefo, netizens were shocked to chance on peace-loving McBrown's post. To them, sharing Kevin Taylor's statement coupled with the attacks thrown at Nana Yaa Brefo implies that she shares the same assertion. Not just say, or nay, Nana Yaa Brefo, one in Temu Shadam, Nemo, they Kevin Taylor story. This some kafano ho editu on the nature say or also of what and some Kevin Taylor a kafano and no na amount for who agree on FR the and now McBrown a year. Now you tear a year sa or the nothing to a year and 7 or so. You tear a year sa or the
So McBrown reaction be ba ho asling na nim so a peace woman ope peace no e be obeka nsem bi a chere say e be ya nke be Kevin Taylor intwa so na simple no enko nka ho asem bi announce no this time around the McBrown e the reaction about one thing ono wakasa na Instagram page social screen so won say that so sa na Instagram name or posti anasa or reposti Kevin Taylor insults for the man na Yaa Brefo and even lady no and one Insta story partner.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Now so we be ready all the side in the chini ade na I just na she's na nemu na dia tam so echo edman na Yaa Brefo living lady in sa partner and McBrown e post here and a man for bisa say ade McBrown Kevin Taylor eya adwana because o make his search post no one for caption bi enguso to man for hu ne say one for caption bi anka ho whether say ono Kevin ya adwan so no nya adwen dia nche se nsam na Kevin tell akeka e de che ne nuama na so na hofo no na ni je ho se Kevin ekeka sansen because e ya de woni je ho anka first of all mpo no onkofa e reposting e wo Instagram story eso eno na nsam akofo binom ekeka se we die emse magwa na nsam a na nkonya kobekeka da che vim lady na Yaa Brefo e na Kevin tell akeka dia ma nti a ama wa reposting e wo ne Insta story so
yo etifo we ni nchechemu fa eye na normal reaction eye kabitela nsemo kafa no ho screen record ya wo de to eye ne Instagram stories se Ghana fo nyina enhwe eno na eye amanfo ahudwiri te se ye wan won se eye na McBrown aye bi se na yenti ensemo eye kabitela kafa no sa story ya no de to eye ne Instagram page no yenti eye kabitela nsemo oka de fa ne ho
na me won say girls no they are hating on Nana McBrown. Why are you hating on her? Nana McBrown, let's be honest here. Nana McBrown is not the best when it comes to presentation on TV as a host. She's not the best. Nana McBrown, one of the most intelligent ladies who host this show in Ghana. No. Nana McBrown, she isn't even a trained broadcaster. So for Nana McBrown to be able to, for years and years, to be able to hold some number of people, some number of viewership, for her to still be attracted to mainstream media, showtime, entertainment shows to host, you need to understand that she comes with something extraordinary majority of you ladies don't come with. And these are things I am to hear. Debbie, I remember I've sat on this show to criticize Nana McBrown when she was at Peace FM and the show, sometimes she loses focus, sometimes she's not able to handle the show. I've said it. But it does not mean to say what Nana McBrown comes with, we should underestimate it. She's been able to, apart from the acting she was in, she's been able to carry something with her. Sometimes when you sit and you ask yourself, Nana McBrown, why? When she goes here, she gets a lot of people following her. It is something you people need to learn. Every individual have a unique thing about them that carries and the charisma of the nam. She has been able to protect that till this point. So Mumbana Nana Yaa and then Nana Yaa Brefo. The issue is you people don't carry anything with you. Carry something. Carry something so that it will it will be your weight and then bear the weight behind you. Intellectually, you are not smart. You people, these girls hating on Nana McBrown. Why do you hate on her? Why do you hate on Nana McBrown? People like us, we have never been worried about the numbers Nana McBrown makes. If Nana McBrown makes 50,000 people today on her show, I am happy for her because I know her impact. I know what she's trying to do. If I make 50,000 people today, I don't think she'll be angry with me because she knows I carry with me something. She carries with her something that is unique. What do you people carry? Nana Yaa Brefo na o carry punk. Na o carry Nkwasi Akika. Na o carry. You don't carry anything. We are flat. You are not versatile.
Yo, etifo we ni ensema ye Kevin Taylor. Editu ja sansemwe na ye na McBrown editu the Instagram page amanfo eka hu ensem bebre. Na Kevin Taylor abra otutu bi mane eye na Yaa Brefo wase metufu afa eye social media ho na mohu eye mfaso ewo eye social media ho se wonimu a memeka machero na Kevin Taylor de tuga eye company sika woni timinya ewo woni social media pages odi nyina etuga na yetie eye esema eye Kevin Taylor de tuga abra otutu bi mane eye na Yaa Brefo na oka eye social media ho mfaso a ede boa eye nipa yetie eye ensema eye Kevin Taylor ede tuga efa eye social media ho yetie sansemo.
Now, there's one funny thing she said that I think it's important we address that issue. She was talking about social media. Social media. Hey, 2023. And these money boxes and my fellow men are working in Ghana say a journalist. 2023. You are standing on a media platform and also in a radio station where you saw camera. The internet Kweku thing, Akoto cameras begu Angel FM. The internet Kweku thing is spending money on data to make sure that Angel Online, you are mentioning your handles and why people should watch you. Why do you think Kweku thing at the end of the day bought cameras and installed at Angel FM and put data on it? Why?
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Because
Hot
only your
news
train
all
difference
time.
be you don't even understand camera na so studio no one tiase. Today, Minya Bema, what should be say? Just say all this while no a zoo ni bi ni zoo ni Akufo-Addo si no abeti nti wona aka kansam. You are saying it's a social media no a man di agro ho. Do you know the number of people who have made millions in their life on social media? How do you see social media? 2023, a journalist in Ghana. You don't even understand social media. You don't know the impact of social media. You don't know the dynamics of social media. The dynamics in business. You don't know. You don't even understand social media. And that is where I want to focus on. Because the okay Kennedy Agyapong no hia me wo de wa obi anim o Italian box like it to be the dance in so nti en sheda anyade why say Italian box wa moamoa but me pese me twe adwene ba de ehia no so de ehia no social media sama wo kai say social media e ho na madi agro hey me nua be ma wo se de social media e na nko madi agro ho pija sansan tientia asisa kios nana na de ndien na anoma jeri ma me cheche bibu mu nchiro see this Ghana for my catch them we mu no o ma dwini so nkura sesem no na bedru nkran o they don't know anything. 2023 say journalist general radio so and the same time original radio so no she is facing a camera data na adwumawura ato and original social media cause social media is for girls me na enjoy your media can adwin kame pamo. You cannot go out there and change my brand, help my brand to make money because you don't even understand the social media. And Kofi-Addo is back to Angel FM. You know why? If you say Dr. Kweku Ting or Kofi-Addo need Kofi TV the numbers no social media to come and help him advertisers. That is why Kofi-Addo is back. Kofi-Addo is back to Angel FM because of Kofi TV numbers also. It is not because Kofi-Addo news all kind of be to be kind be. Into for a journalist to sit and to stand on social media to say social media your man you don't even know. You don't deserve to sit behind the mic and speak. Ma menchiro ade minua bema. Mi wia na ma to ade bia ma. Na mama 1 week. Na mama mo de 1 week. Unnim be bia ode adna ko me be prove bia kiro. Be the social media be prove bia kiro minua bema. Wetitin. Obo diaper and I say o shepada aya she tight wase. O minua bema say o shepada aya she tight waso. Dem kan so what ase. Now we are there. Munim she kurasefo amabankran. Nkurasefo amabetena nkran. Monum kan. Kasa anyhow. Social media man akuntokwa wo ho. Hey, me Angel media nkan adwin kan mepamon. Now see. Mame chiro bibi. And I want to educate Ghanaians. I want to educate Ghanaians. No wonder. Untumi nya bema papa bianda wechi ma ade nchi makoko mokokro kokas I love you. You don't understand those things. On shada hu bibi saida. Say one bema bedama ade achima odenensa akata hu say na abo 536 or so I love you. Unti bi da into one kasa no system na ntinyo mana. De ekwaso unti ase. Why is that the car? No, why is it BDA car? I left in Gua. Hey,
you are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Don't do that
news
again.
All time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
You are ignorant of what you are doing. Very, very ignorant. Dirty and ignorant. Yeah? Hey, girl, why mistake? Let me show you a little bit of statistics. Mono kind. Munya post production, munya she Jimmy Mobatina radio so akasai ba to so no story ko. Kweku tina na me blame no. Kwasi apanyin bia na tana besi radio so say we de onim kasa nti otwen bia na besi so. Ma me nkyekere wade mu nsua de. Nkurasefo twom. Mo kasa wode ma ho nyina kan. Me say wo Italian box wamwa and I like it to be that see na so nsuo. Eh. Woni me be free ba. O de. Hwade. New research by Fin Partners shows impact of social media on public policy. Public policy outcomes, presidential elections. Now, so we share vote now 52%. The 52%, of respondents said social media had some impact on their voting decision. Nipa about 52% to about America. America so change 100 million times. 52% or how much chichemu edionu epoechiremienu one amkaka kamonsem. Social media had an impact in their decision. Oti Angel FM see we muka say social media ye ho na ma kontokwa. So hu so your ba because anka your bank anka sa asem no. Minu abema tie me wo your ba asebio okoto dwonso a anka wonka say ma na kontokwa wo ho. Tira me brefo minu abema tie 52% of Americans to about Ghana no social media had an impact. I was be to omaba. Do you understand what we are talking about here? What you say? So I remember on Google na almost draws a singing so. Do they understand these kind of things? Do you understand the dynamics? Do you know what social media is doing? Do you understand what social media is doing now? What you say? Do you understand? On a normal day, in Kameka, some Kasiagas or Kevin, one with you, and by Mensah no betiao, and Tina Fiji some status of Manutiao. Me more respect. Saying Kamkasebia, dear Temedia, but they are maturer than you. I've seen things, I know things, I'm more much, I've lived. Ain't say, me starting Kambesa Manuti and Kamanutia, but Mensah no betiao. Bema, do you even understand this? Do you understand what you're seeing? You have no idea. You don't even understand. People are paying $44 billion to buy Twitter. Mark Zuckerberg is one of the richest people on earth. CNN, BBC, all the big companies on earth, Coca-Cola too, and yet Nestle. Do you know how much they spend on social media every day? Do you understand? Do you understand this new world you are in? What you say? Do you understand? Mini Abema. You have no idea. In the end, no, what expose who say, sa entry and a good TV so radio so kasa Ghana. Ujina social media, kasa social media man a ko hunting for so. Ujina homa Kweku tini yemusika akoto to cameras ato data guso say minim say radio but this I need to invest in. Esa jina ho di Kweku tem so yakwasi ampenyi. I am shocked. And why are you supposed to be given opportunity? I'm sure you people don't read. When there's some yes journalist. Hey, what the when I saw Tata, you bet my radio, so minimum of a view on crying. You look could draw up what he saying. Hey, what do you when him to say drill? Okon crying there, and you'll be a better on car. What do you why put to say Italy for money box into W and your sanity? It's here. You need to be smart. Open your mind. Now, I'm sure I Now, about 2 in 10 U.S. adults got most of their political news on social media. Do you understand social? When you say social media, and say one can now one can say I'm also Facebook page. I do sometimes I call about one and Sammy Gumno Achenko for I'm doing. Say out here. Why do you do that? Ubia ayana a man kwasi afo mo konto kwankwan wo. You don't know the world we are in today. Anything you people don't understand. If you understand, you would have sat back and say, Kevin, I can't so much me. And I'm kind of say, and the uni system no more. Jane de Bekayo. Say my interview for Peter Baba.
Watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Put you through some lessons and agree. Send a bear or
Juicy News on YouTube.
Said the audio on the Bemanda with the Diana Taro. O da hona utarudiano ho obedwene. Me so Obama and shada amfa ne samfa nchen enda wo chi ma de nchen da. Into one kasa no nya nipa. Na ye kasa na no den na Bema shada amfa ne sam rappel. Ene wonda wo be shitu ma de nchen da. Into one shada until life ase. Wadwene I said Dampare through. Hwe chat na wo ho no. About 2 in 10 US adults got most of their political news on social media. Now her percentages, omunya free print. Minya bema, yakase printer. We are talking about newspapers. Just 3%. America such a Ghana 100 million times. 3% and omunya information about political issues. Adults and young kwarau omudi make your political decision how to vote. When you go to radio, only 8%. This poll was conducted just 2019. And from 2019 to 2023, social media has been more active. It has progressed more than in 2019. I want you to see what we are doing. Nipa 8% in the whole America and omutie radio taking decision when it comes to their political decisions, how they vote. Network TV, and it's a GTV or American, there's 13% of the people. 13 of Nipa 13%. And I'm telling you, we are talking about America. There are more people with TVs than people in Ghana. There are more people with radios in America than radios in Ghana. There are more print news, newspapers in America than in Ghana. So compare. Radio near 8%. America is getting close to over 400 million people. Only 8% take their decisions from listening to radio. Over cable TV, and it's a DSTV, I'm in Ghana, just the 16%. Cable TV, a Fox News, Dasso, CNN, Dasso, MSNBC, BBC, just 16%. Remember, Fox News, CNN, MSNBC, BBC, Al Jazeera, they all have their Facebook, their pages. They are running 24/7 live feed. Sabema wepa why say Italian box no odwene ansa na obetiti mwende no we krasini. When it comes to local TV over America for local TV 16% pe and no kwhwem no emrewane nkokora na omo pension omo no share local television, local news, news 7, news 8, then local news omo just 16%. Kwansoma say okay, kwansoma mate oba aye news website or app. News, website or apps, 25%. Now, news, website, and app, basically, they work hand in hand with social media. Do you know that? Now, when you go to social media, 18%. Compare social media and radio. This is America, over 400 million people. So let's convert this and bring it to Ghana and see the statistics. Nipa Omutie Radio, they are not more than 1%.
Yo, it is for winning and summer year. Kevin Taylor, editor, or educated Nana Yaa Brefo, or the importance of social media companies. If I saw one in your social media, no one I wanted to hear social media, or Koso, Echo, pay news near day or the Nina Atuja. Na McBrown so reacted to Kevin Taylor. Toka or name and Yaa Brefo or day Kevin Taylor and some more Kafan or the two Instagram story. Na Ghana Phoebe na one na one. Eka ehonsem bebre nika say GC News so na wo hwe se wonya subscribe ya message say obe subscribe be like na wa share video no amaye wo so betimi a kire wadwen afa ensem wo nyira ho e wo comment box no mo beti minka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.